Hi, it's Miss Alley Kent DIY back with another DIY. So today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable cat mirror using this Dollar Tree cat frame. It's in their Halloween section right now. And then all you need is two mirrors. Usually Dollar Tree carries round mirrors, but mine did not, and I found these mirrors at Joann's Fabrics for 99 cents, so I saved myself a couple pennies there. So the first mirror, the smaller one, the smallest that it can be is 3 inches, and the largest being 4.5. And the other mirror, the smallest that it can be is 4 inches, and the largest being 7. Now, let me show you what I do with these, and that will make more sense. Alright, so for this DIY, we are going to be gluing these mirrors to our frame. Now, with the first mirror here that I have, it's just the right size that I want to be putting the glue on this first little hole here on our frame. If it was a little bit larger and it sat here, then I would be putting the glue here, but mine's just small enough that it doesn't quite reach that, which is fine. And just as an obvious note, when you glue it, you're going to want to have the mirror side down so that you can see it. And the same goes with the other one. When I put my mirror down, it hits this first hole here, so I want to put the glue here, and so that it holds it, because it's not going to do me any good to have the glue here, unless my mirror was that big, which it is not. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so very carefully taking my E6000 glue, I'm going to apply some to that first circle, that first hole, making sure to not let it drip down. Putting it all the way around. And then I'm going to take my smaller mirror, make sure that it is centered when I put it down. I'm going to just press it down. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing with my other mirror. Gluing this first circle here. Alright, taking my mirror, centering it as best that I can, and placing it down. And I'm just pressing firmly for about 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, I'll be right back. So I thought I'd come back real quick and just tell you that I'm going to add some more glue. If you look here, you can see the frame, and I am going to add glue where I can tell that the frame is touching my mirror. I hope that makes sense. I just want to have enough glue here. I'm just going to add some there. Right here, my mirror happens to be very close to the edge of the frame, so I'm just going to add anywhere that I think that I can add some more glue, I'm going to do that really quick. On both mirrors. If you get any of the glue on the back, be sure to wipe it off just because now I'm going to flip it back over and put the books on it, and I don't want that to get on my table. So taking a couple objects that are larger than your frame, I am going to set them on here to make sure that it glues to our frame, to make sure that our mirrors glue to our frame. And I'm gonna leave it here overnight, so next time you see me, it'll be the next day. See you tomorrow. I'll be right back.
So just an added tip, this isn't something that I did, but learned from my mistakes. I would suggest before you put your heavy object on your cat frame to put something in between your cat frame and the objects that you're going to put on top of it. I would suggest something plastic so that your frame doesn't attach to whatever you're putting on top of it. If you don't have like a sheet of plastic, then like a piece of cardboard with wrapped plastic wrap or foil would do the job on both sides of your cat frame. So here is the finished DIY cat mirror. I hope you enjoyed this. I had so much fun making this project. I absolutely love this. It was so easy. Just glue, mirrors, and your frame. That's all you need. And here's a picture of my cat, or video, looking into the cat mirror. So cute. I hope you have an absolutely wonderfully perfect day. I hope to see you next time. Miss Alley Cat DIY signing out.